In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bankrate to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Bankrate available right inside your ChatGPT experience, so you can streamline your workflow without juggling multiple tabs. I'll walk you through each screen and share a few helpful pointers along the way to keep things smooth. Start by looking to the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT interface. That's where your profile area lives, typically showing your avatar or initials. Click that to open your account menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where you control most of the features that affect how ChatGPT works for you. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. This is your hub for discovering, managing, and connecting third-party tools. Open Apps and then select either Explore Apps or Add More. Both options lead you to the same place, a catalog where you can browse and connect available apps. At the top of that catalog, you'll see a search field. Click into the search field and type Bankrate. Be sure to spell it exactly as one word to get the right match. When the Bankrate app appears in the results, select it to open its details page. Here, you can quickly review what the app does and how it integrates with ChatGPT. Next, click Connect. After you hit Connect, simply follow any on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Depending on your account and region, you may be asked to confirm permissions or acknowledge terms so that ChatGPT can work with Bankrate properly. If a prompt appears, just read it carefully and proceed as directed. If no prompts appear, that means the connection finished automatically and you're all set. A couple of quick tips to keep things easy. If you don't immediately see the Apps section in Settings, it may be rolling out to your account or region, or it may require a specific plan. In that case, give it a little time and check back later. If the Connect button seems unresponsive, a quick refresh of the page usually clears it up. And if your search doesn't return Bankrate, double-check your spelling and try again. That's all there is to it. You clicked your profile, opened Settings, went to Apps, explored the catalog, searched for Bankrate, selected Connect, and completed any prompts that appeared. Once connected, the app is ready to use the next time you're working in ChatGPT, so you can keep your focus in one place. Thanks for watching, and great job getting Bankrate connected to ChatGPT.